My name is Nicole Richard. I work in LabVIEW R&D as a software group manager for the LEGO products, and I've been with National Instruments for 10 and a half years. PEPI stands for Protect the Earth, Protect Yourself, and it's a nonprofit organization working in Cambodia whose mission is to aid these rural communities in improving their standards of living. One of the programs that they've started is called the Creative Learning Classes, and these programs are really focused on building critical thinking and creative problem-solving skills in these kids, using computers and science as a medium to do that. Here at NI, we believe that one of the keys to improving the quality of life around the world is to create a more technically literate society. We saw this as a great opportunity to do this kind of work in a completely different setting and give kids that don't have access to this kind of technology, tools that they've never used before. This fall, National Instruments decided to donate 10 LEGO WeDo kits to this program, which enabled them to get a whole robotics program started in their school. On the morning of the workshop with the kids, when we arrived at 8 a.m., it was the last day of their summer vacation, and all of them were excited and ready to go, wanting to spend the entire day with us learning about robotics. These kids had never seen or even heard of Legos before, but as soon as we opened them up, they jumped right in and were able to start building models without needing any assistance. With the software, we decided to point them to a couple of examples and see if they could figure things out on their own, which they had no problem doing. So within the matter of a couple of hours, they had built several of the soccer models and were holding a goal-scoring competition. The teachers basically were able to run the workshop with the kids with little assistance from us. They were completely empowered to facilitate teaching, and the kids were engaged throughout the entire day. Hopefully with the workshops that we help create, as well as with the start of the engineering club, some of these students will grow up to become engineers and solve some of the problems that their villages face. So the thing I'm most proud of in this trip is that we didn't just donate kits. We spent the time to really go over there and invest in people, and that's what's going to make the difference.